Hello. So last time we learned about using if function with or statement as well. So today we will learn about if with and operator, and we will also see how if and IFS is used. So let's do this. We have our statement here, question statement. So let's just hide this column so that uh, we can see all our other data. And click on hide. If it is not visible, let's hide this customer and product as well. So as you can see, we have the statement as if the net sales is greater than 10,000, we have to give 5% of the commission. If the net sales is less than 10,000 but greater than 5,000, then 2.5% commission, and less than 5,000, then 1.5% commission, right? So let's see how this can be done. So first let's discuss about with if and statement. So let's type the formula equals to if parenthesis open. The logic is if net sales is greater than 10,000, we need to give greater than 10,000. We need to give a 5% commission of the sales amount, right? So we will give the sales amount into 0.05. This is the 5%, right? The other statement is if the value is false, right? So if the value is false, we again need to check the statement. So we will again type if, and we will say if the net sales is with the AND statement, and if uh, our net sales is greater than equal to 5,000 and less than 10,000, right? So here it should be greater than equal to, and here it should be if and this net sales is greater than equal to 5,000 comma and less than 10,000, right? If true, we have to give sales amounts 2.5%, that is 0.025. The other thing is, the third condition is that we need to give if less than 30 and less than 5,000, then it should be 1.5%. So as you can see here, what we can do is again use the if condition and say that if net sales is less than 5,000, we need to give the 1.5%. But what we can instead do is here, if this condition is false, it is automatically justified that it will be less than 5,000. So instead of giving one more if condition, we will just say if false, if this given condition is false, we will give 1.5% of 0, that is 0.015 times of the net sales, and we will close all the parentheses and hit enter. So as you can see here, let's calculate manually. So here the sales is between 5,000 and 10,000, so it should be 2.5% of the net sales amount. So it will be equals to this into 0.025. So as you can see, it is giving the correct amount, right? So we will just hit the double times that, and it will enter all the values, autofill it. Now let's see how IFS, that is if else condition, that is inbuilt function by Excel, that can be used for using multiple ifs. So let's go. The statement is like IFS open parenthesis. As you can see here, we can give multiple if statements in a single go. We do not need to type if again and again, and only the true value can be defined. The false value, we don't need to define that, right? So let's see. So first logic will be if sales is greater than 10,000. So we will go if sales is greater than equals to 10,000, then the true value is 5% of the sales amount, right? 5% of the sales amount. 0 point into 0.05. Again, the second logic we need to give is if this is suppose greater than equal to 5000, then we need to give 0.025. Here I did not give the condition of, as you can see, that greater than 10,000, right? But but that is not required actually, because if in the first condition it is checking whether it is greater than equals to 10,000 or not. If it is not, then only it will come to the second condition, that is this one, that is greater than 5,000. So it is already defined that it should be less than 10,000. So I did not give the condition again, right? Now let's give the third condition. Here we will need to give the third condition, that is less than 5,000, because here we cannot give false value, that if the condition is false, then return the following value. So here we will need to give the condition that the net sales should be, if less than 5,000, we need to give 0.015, that is 1.5% of the sales amount as a commission. So we will close the parenthesis and hit enter. So as you can see, the formula is applied, and I will just double click over here. So all the values are auto filled. So in this way, as you can see, both the values for all the cells, it is giving same, right? So this is a method how single value can be obtained using different formulas in Excel. So I hope you were able to understand. We will see some more logical functions in upcoming videos. Thank you.